The philosopher Søren Kierkegaard once said, "Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards." Understanding and moving beyond the past. Every one of us carries a myriad of experiences, a collection of memories, both joyful and painful. Our past, with its successes and failures, shapes who we are but does not determine where we can go. Often these patterns are rooted in unresolved conflicts or unhealed wounds. They manifest in our lives as repetitive problems or feelings that seem to have no current source. By identifying these patterns, we begin to understand the lessons hidden within our previous experiences. This involves deep introspection and sometimes revisiting painful memories to understand their impact on our current psyche. Instead of allowing these memories to trigger us, we can see them as markers of where we once faltered, but can now navigate successfully. Many times, what holds us back is not just the memory of past events, but the emotions and stigma we attach to them: guilt, shame, regret. It's crucial to confront these feelings directly. By reframing these memories, we transform them from sources of pain to sources of insight. This includes forgiveness not only for others, but most importantly, for ourselves. Self-forgiveness is a courageous act of accepting that while we are not perfect, we are capable of learning and improving. It's about acknowledging that our mistakes are not the entirety of our story, but parts of a complex journey that fosters growth and wisdom. Once we have mapped our past and understood its contours, we can engage with it constructively. This means using our history not as a crutch, but as a stepping stone. Every memory, then, serves a purpose, contributing to a richer, more nuanced understanding of ourselves and our paths. The universe's role in personal transformation. The journey of personal transformation is often mysterious, seemingly filled with random obstacles and unexpected turns. These are not mere coincidences, but are, in fact, strategic challenges placed by the universe to test our resolve and readiness for growth. Recognizing the universe's role in our personal development can change our perspective on these challenges, transforming them from hurdles to stepping stones. Imagine life as a series of levels in a game, each with its own set of challenges designed to test different skills. In the same vein, the universe presents us with tests, each one tailored to provoke specific growth within us. These cosmic assessments are opportunities to prove our commitment to our goals and readiness to accept greater responsibilities or rewards. Just as a teacher assesses a student's readiness to progress to the next grade, the universe assesses our readiness to ascend to higher levels of consciousness and capability. Often, just as we set out to achieve a significant goal, an obstacle appears that seems to push that goal further away. However, these challenges are not roadblocks, but rather moments of synchronicity, perfectly timed tests to ensure we are prepared for what we seek. They prompt us to question our intentions, refine our goals, and if necessary, alter our paths. Each challenge posed by the universe is an invitation to deepen our resolve and commitment. These are lessons that prepare us for abundance. Releasing shame and embracing magnificence. This journey often brings us face to face with the darker aspects of our history, moments filled with shame, regret, or perceived failure. Shame is a powerful emotion that arises from the belief that we are fundamentally flawed or inadequate in some way. These moments, frozen in time, can haunt our self-image and cloud our perceptions of our current selves. Understanding that these feelings are based on past perceptions, not current reality, is crucial to overcoming them. To move beyond shame, we must reframe our failures as necessary steps in our personal growth. Each misstep offers valuable lessons that contribute to our deeper understanding and development. Instead of viewing past actions with regret, see them as the impetus for change and enlightenment. This shift in perspective allows us to detach from the pain of the past and appreciate the growth that has come from it. Forgiveness is a vital tool in releasing shame. Extending forgiveness to others who may have contributed to our feelings of shame is also important, as it frees us from carrying the weight of old resentments and grudges. Each day that we live better than our previous selves is a victory worth celebrating. Living in magnificence means recognizing and honoring our inherent worth and potential. By doing so, you assert that you are more than your past mistakes. You are a constantly evolving being capable of achieving greatness. Living inspired and simplified. Navigating through the complexities of life, we often find ourselves overwhelmed by the mundane and cluttered routines that drain our energies and distract us from our true purposes. Living an inspired life means aligning daily actions with our deepest values and aspirations. This alignment doesn't happen by accident. It is the result of intentional living and conscious decision-making. By eliminating these energy drainers, we free up space for activities that enrich and fulfill us, allowing more time for creativity, relaxation, and growth. Prioritizing joy means engaging in activities that uplift and revitalize us, whether through hobbies, social interactions, or spiritual practices. It also means being disciplined about work-life balance, ensuring that our professional endeavors do not overshadow our personal well-being or spiritual growth. Our environments can significantly influence our mental and emotional states. Living an inspired life also means being a source of inspiration to others. Building a community of like-minded individuals can provide support and motivation, creating a network of people who inspire and uplift each other. Crafting your future with intention and gratitude. The art of living a fulfilling life doesn't rest solely on overcoming past hurdles or simplifying the present. It's also about intentionally crafting a future that resonates with our deepest values and desires. Visualization is a potent tool in realizing our intentions. This practice not only enhances our belief in the possibility of achieving our goals, but also activates the law of attraction, drawing the necessary resources and opportunities towards us. Gratitude transforms our perspective, allowing us to see every experience as a gift and every challenge as an opportunity for growth. By maintaining a grateful attitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, which amplifies our overall sense of abundance and well-being. Whether it's pursuing further education, building networks, or developing new skills, each step is a manifestation of our commitment to our intended future. Resistance, on the other hand, whether internal fears or external circumstances, is a natural part of the journey towards achieving our dreams. Ultimately, crafting a future filled with intention and gratitude means living in alignment with your true self. By focusing on what we are thankful for and where we wish to go, we harness the power to shape our destiny. Should you find this video beneficial, please consider expressing your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for additional content on personal growth and spiritual development. Furthermore, I encourage you to share this video with individuals who may find value in its message. Collectively, we can disseminate enlightenment and enhance the collective consciousness. Until we meet again, remain blessed, maintain positivity, and continue to radiate your splendid light into the world. Take care, esteemed viewers.